Hi, today we're here to view this townhome at M3 Grandview Drive in South Burlington. Let's go ahead and take a look around on the outside before we head into the inside. As you can see here, it's nicely landscaped. You can see you can also have the ability to add your own personal touch to it. Off to the side, you can see that there's a parking lot. There's one assigned parking space. There's also parking spaces for other vehicles as well. I like this too because these 4 units are kind of tucked away from the rest of it, so it gives you a nice sense of privacy. Let's go ahead and take a look around to the back. Again, I love this because you've got trees around you, so it gives you a really nice sense of woodedness and privacy. And then as you come around here, you're going to notice in the back that you have a deck that you can use. And also some privacy fencing around here as well. So again, great entertainment for the summertime. Just want to pan around again so that you can take a look. So now that we've seen some of the outside, let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of the home. Okay, so here we have the inside of the unit. So when you first come in, you can see you've got a laminate floor, great open floor plan. What I like about this too is that you've got this really big window in the front. Gives it lots of natural lighting. Just going to scroll around so you can see a little bit closer. Of course, you've got the dining area on the back. Of course, you've got the doors that go out into the back deck area. It's all wooded back here. You can see you've got a deck so you can put tables out there to entertain. Of course, you've got the kitchen. As you can see too, you've got some stainless steel appliances, always a nice feature. And then you come off to the right, and as you can see, you've got the washer and dryer here. And then you've got a little bit of storage underneath the staircase. What I like about this too is that you've got this little spot here if you want to store some of your coats, but then you really got this big closet here. That's great for some storage, always a nice feature. And then we're going to go ahead and head upstairs. And up here, you're going to have 2 bedrooms and a full bath. As you can see when you first come in, you've got the full bathroom. And then off to the side is your first bedroom. As you can see, you've got the closet off to the side. And then you come over here and you've got the second bedroom. And again, I like this one's a little bit bigger. I love the big window there as well. Plenty of natural lighting. And of course, you've got a nice big closet here to work with. Okay, this is M3 Grandview Drive in South Burlington, but we're not done yet. Let's go ahead and check out what else South Burlington has to offer. And here at Dorset Park, you've got the Douglas Carnes Recreational Arena. Awesome place to come out and enjoy everything it has to offer. As you can see as well, you've got a soccer field and picnic tables for recreational use. Great way to come out and enjoy more of the features. Another great feature is that you also have basketball courts ready to be used. The kids will love playing on the swing sets and all the other features at the playground. And for all those looking to get off into the beaten path, we have Wheeler Nature Park, which is also dog friendly. Great place to take your furry friend out for a stroll. A short drive down the road is the South Burlington High School. You also have the Vermont National Country Club just down the road.